Assalamu alaikum students, I hope everybody is doing well. So in previous video we have discussed about the dummy subject it and there, and today we are going to do the use of is, am, are, was and were. They are also called as a be form that we use in simple sentences, or you may say that for the beginners. Is, am, are we use in present, was and were we use in past. This is that concept which we actually have been learning since our childhood. For example, ये किताब है, this is a book, वो लड़की है, she is a girl. So we can say that जिन फिक्रात में क्या है या कैसी है के बारे में बताया जाता है उसमें हम is, am, are का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. For example, if you look at the sentence, ये मेरी पेंसिल है, ये मेरी पेंसिल है, इसमें ये वाली कंडीशन सेटिस्फाइड हो रही है. ये क्या है? ये मेरी पेंसिल है. सो वी हैव अ मेथोडोलॉजी टू कन्वर्ट दीज उर्दू सेंटेंसेस इनटू इंग्लिश, एंड द मेथोडोलॉजी इज subject is, am, are plus object. If we want to convert the Urdu sentences into English, we require two things. First of all, we need to have a subject, the person who is doing a work or an action, and second thing that is required is an action. Object is something that can be transitive or intransitive. So we have this sentence, ये मेरी पेंसिल है. This sentence we are going to change according to this methodology. So that's how we are going to convert this. This is my pencil, and we'll be using am with I. Is will be used with he, she, it, or with singular. Singular can be name of any person, place or thing, and we'll be using are with you, they and plural. This is what we have talked about is, am and are. Now we'll be discussing about was and were. As if I've told you before, is, am, are we use in present. For example, जिन फिक्रात के आखिर में है, हैं या हूँ का इस्तेमाल होता है, उधर हम is, am, are का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. और ऐसे फिक्रात जिनमें था, थी या थे का इस्तेमाल होता है, उसमें हम was और were का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. As if I have a sentence, फकीर लंगड़ा था, and the methodology for was and were would also be same, but in the place of is, am, are, we'll be using was and were. So that's how we'll be changing. First of all, we are going to put subject, then verb, and then object. And the translation of this sentence would be the beggar was lame. So if we have to change them into negative, we'll be putting not over there. The methodology of negative would be subject, is, am, are, not, and then object. Subject, was, were, not, and then object. And if we have to change it into interrogative, then this verb would come at the beginning of the sentence, then subject, and then object. For example, this I would come at the beginning, then that would be, is this my pencil, and a question mark. And if we change this into interrogative, then this was would come at the beginning of the sentence. Was the beggar lame? So that's how we are going to use was and were in the interrogative sentences. Let's have a quick review. We are doing the use of is, am, are, was, were in simple sentences. Is, am, are we use in present. Was and were we use in past. And with the am we'll be using I. So as was. With he, she, it and singular we'll be using is and was. With you, they and plural we'll be using are and were according to the sentence. If the sentence would be in present, we'll be using present verbs. And if the sentence is in past, we'll be using past verbs. So dear students, now we have this exercise on page number 71. First sentence we have हम सब मुसलमान हैं, which means that is showing plurality. So according to the methodology, we'll be converting this sentence into English. We are Muslims, but we have to use this sub as well. So we'll be using it after subject, and then the translation would be we all are Muslim. Number 2 we have Ahmad Daler Sipahi hai. Here they are talking about singular and it's a present sentence. The translation would be Ahmad is a brave soldier. Number 3 we have कुत्ता और घोड़ा वफादार जानवर हैं. Now it's a present and plural. Horse, dog and horse are faithful animal. Number 4 we have हर पाकिस्तानी मुहिब्बे वतन है. Every Pakistani is a patriot. Number 5 वो मुअज़्ज़िज़ शहरी थे. Now it's a plural as well as past tense. They were respectable citizens. Number 6 we have लाहौर बागात के लिए मशहूर है. लाहौर is famous for gardens. क्या वो कल बीमार था? Was he ill yesterday? आज बहुत से तालिबे इल्म क्यों गैर हाजिर हैं? Why most of the students are absent today? तुम्हारी टीम के खिलाड़ी कहाँ हैं? Where are the players of your team? क्या अमीर आदमी गरीबों पर मेहरबान था? Was rich man kind to the poor? वो आपका क्या लगता है? What is he to you? 1 दर्जन अंडे खराब थे. 1 dozen eggs were rotten. क्या सब सवाल आसान थे? Were all the questions easy? ये खिलौना खूबसूरत ना था. This toy was not beautiful. टीपू सुल्तान आदिल हुक्मरान था. टीपू सुल्तान was a just